All right, this is the introductory Morse code lesson number one. And we're going to start with letters K and M. We're going to start this a little bit differently than what I'm used to when I first learned. Plan on using the Koch method, which was developed by German psychologist Ludwig Koch in the 1930s. And unlike traditional Morse learning, which starts slow and gradually increases speed, the Koch method exposes learners to full speed Morse from the very first lesson. And I think this is a better approach. This approach forces the brain to recognize each character as a complete sound pattern rather than counting dots and dashes, building instant recognition and reflexive decoding skills. So we're going to jump right into this.